Hello, all my ghostly and ghoulish friends out there in UB2B land. Thank you for being here today. This is Art by Julie E, and today is Color of the Month collab with Nate Bright Art. It is October, so we're having fun with black. Black is a great color for any painting because it adds depth, dimension, and drama. And I'm all about it. And we're going to be using some pigments. I have some are glow pigments and some are ghost pigments. Very appropriate for October, right? So let's have some fun. We're just going to do some puddle pours with our pigments and then roll a marble through it and bring that black base up in between with the marble to add that movement, that motion, and just have some fun. And yeah, so I will put on some spooky music for you and see you at the end for the wickedly wonderful dry results. And here we go with the dry results. Here it is in the sun. Look at that shimmer. Those ghost pigments really, really shimmer. I think all the bumps in this could have been from some of the glow pigments not completely dissolving in the gloss medium that I used to wet them first. I'm not really sure, or it could just be air bubbles that took their sweet time rising to the surface. Because mix is really thick pouring medium, so but it still looks great, and you won't even see those bumps once I put a coat of resin on top of that. So because yeah, I love this and I'm keeping it, and I think it's really cool. Wait till you see what happens. I mean, but first look at this. Look at the transparency you get with mix. You can see all the different colors and everything. I love that corner. Doesn't it look like a spooky mountain hill at night? I love it. But yeah, look at that transparency. It really is some cool stuff, and it kept the lines really nice with the marble pour and stuff. And the black, the color of the month, the black really helps give it that movement and depth that I really wanted in this piece. So here we go. It has glow in the dark pigments. Can you see that witch face up there in that corner? How cool is that? It's so Halloween appropriate, isn't it? I love this. Yeah. Ooh, it's spooky. I think it's so cool. I wish it showed up better on camera, but oh well. Just Janice was right before me. Massey Art Studio is right after me. And please go check out my friend Nate Bright Art, who was earlier today. Until next time, loves and hugs, y'all. Bye.